Alright, this is the, I think the Wiim Max or something, but definitely a game changer for me. A big upgrade from this thing. It was perfectly fine. Don't look at my mess. Hold on. It was perfectly fine, but some of you may have seen I have a Marantz receiver, and the Heos feature stopped working. So I needed a way to, still be able to use my big speakers, as well as be able to use the ohms when I want to use it. And I just needed more inputs, and I also really love the fact that I can come in here. I can just, like switch tracks and such. I can like do all types of noodling around. Sound quality is great. I do hate that I have yet another remote controller though. That kind of sucks. But yeah. Anyway, highly recommend it, especially if you have multiple systems you're trying to get working. Like I have turntable with the preamp, going into mini DSP SHD or something another. There's stuff routing to obviously the big amp, as well as signal coming from this into the Marantz. It's not a lot, but it's kind of a lot. But I recommend it, and this has been kind of long, so yeah.